In this video, we'll be showing you how to change a delivery product to collection. If you have created a product for sale using type product, then it will show as being available for delivery, which is usually via book bags. If you prefer this to show as being available for collection, you will need to change the product type to collection instead. To do this, first log in as an administrator. If your product is for sale as part of an event, then browse to Admin, Events, and then select Tickets and Products from your event management menu for that event. Then from the product management menu for the product, click on Edit. Change the type from product to collection, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Update Product button. If your product is for sale as part of a product group, then browse to Admin, Product Groups, and then select Products and Vouchers from the Manage menu. Then click on Edit Product from the Product Management menu and change the type from Product to Collection. Scroll down and click on the Update Product button. And that's it, you have now successfully changed a delivery product to collection. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from adding committee members to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.